back, everybody, and today we got another unboxing and product review to do. And so there's a package here that was shipped to me, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside because I'm not 100% sure what's inside myself. So let's open this up. We got a little bit of a packing slip in there, and this is the lawn aerator shoes. Okay. So we got some lawn aerator shoes to look at. Take a look at what's in the box first. Okay, it comes just like this. Comes with a little envelope thing here. And that's the instructions that it comes with. Okay, it comes with a set of straps. 2 sets of straps. I guess 1 for each shoe. Comes with a little box, and this is what the shoe looks like before you put it together. Looks just like that. You got your area. I guess you're going to be putting something through those holes. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Give you all the angles. Let's open up this box. Nice little box packaging they give you. It comes with a little wrench. It comes with like a nail or a spike, and the threads are all the way up at the top. So it's a custom piece that's made. You put the nail through like so. You just take your little bolt thing here, spin that on, take your little wrench they gave you, which is very handy, and just give that a tighten. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all together, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like once it's assembled. It comes with this little box. It's filled with all of those little spikes and all the nuts you're going to need. Okay, so we're back, and we assembled one shoe for you just to give you an idea what it looks like. Here's the straps for it. Again, these go in there. It's pretty much, guys, all you got to do with this thing, if you want to use the straps, which you're going to have to, you put it through like so, back through the hole. You got 2 slots over here for adjustment, depending on the size of the shoe you're wearing or how big your foot is. And you just pull that through, pop that on there like so, put your foot in there, and that's all it is. And you can put this thing together in probably about 5 minutes. You're probably wondering, once I'm done with it, what do I do with it? Well, it's very simple. Once you're done, I'm sure they wish they had something like this, you know, back in the 1400s during the Inquisition period. On all my product reviews, I always tell you guys to don't throw out your boxes. Keep your boxes. Keep all the miscellaneous stuff with it. So when you're done with it, you could just put it back into the box, disassemble it, and then put it into storage. Now, this product might not be something necessarily you want to just hang in your closet. It may not be a good idea to do that. You're going to want to take this thing apart when you're finally done, and then simply put it back into your little boxes and screws and put it away. And when you're ready to use it again, you take it back out. It only takes about 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes, to do one of these. Probably about 5 minutes per shoe. You got 2 shoes. So it's going to take you maybe 10 minutes setup time. We'll go out and give it a test, and let's take a look at how it works on your lawn. So let's talk a little bit about aerating your soil and why you'd want to aerate your soil. So what happens is the soil becomes compressed in time, and it presses down to the point where it's very hard for grass roots to really get in there. That's why weeds tend to take over lawns, because your soil is too compacted and it's too compressed. And by aerating your soil, whether you use an aerating tool or you can use this device, by aerating your soil, you're allowing air to get down a little deeper, and your grass now can get its roots in deeper into the soil. And what's good about that is the grass becomes more hardy, and weeds aren't as likely to take over. It's competing now with the weeds. You get like dandelions. They grow their roots down 6, 12, 15 inches into the soil. Mainly the roots only go down very shallow with grass. So by aerating the soil, that now can compete with weeds like dandelions, for example. That's one of the reasons why. There's actually several reasons why you'd want to aerate your soil. For example, if you have an area of your yard and you're constantly walking up and down like a certain path, and now your grass is beginning to get worn down from that, you're going to want to aerate that part of your grass eventually. That path will compress down more than your other parts of your lawn. So you're going to want to aerate that. And by using something like this, will allow you to be able to soften that soil up a little bit more. And the roots for your plants can now get more air, they can grow deeper, and there's several other reasons why you would want to aerate your soil, but I just wanted to give you an idea on why you would want to buy something like this and aerate your soil. Again, big commercial companies will buy very large machines and just run them up and down your soil to aerate your soil. You can get some good exercise, put those on, walk around your yard, and every time you do that, you're aerating your soil. Now, depending on how compacted your soil is, it's really going to depend on how deep these prongs go in. And if you got sod with freshly renewed soil, you're really going to want to aerate your soil then, because sod tends to thatch a lot. It tends to get thatchy a real lot, and now your sod can really grow. So it's really important that you do aerate your fresh sod. Would I recommend this product? I would recommend this product for anybody who has a new lawn and new soil. And if you do it in the beginning, when you first get your sod put down and the soil below is still kind of loose, and you do it on a regular basis, you walk around with these on top of your soil, I definitely recommend aerating your soil with sod. Or if you're going to seed your lawn and your lawn's coming up fresh, you're going to want to constantly aerate that in the beginning until your grass really gets rooted really well. And then after that, you can do this every so often. When you're all done, you can just simply pull your straps off just like this and take these off. So that's it. That's my product review for the Tacklife GAS1A. I'll leave that information in the description. I'll also leave you links in Amazon where you can pick this product up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.